Surgery is a medical procedure in which doctors, called surgeons, cut, remove, alter, or repair parts of the human body. Surgeons often specialize in specific areas, such as orthopedic surgeons who work on bones. Operating rooms must be kept extremely clean to prevent infections, so regular cleaning is essential. Surgical teams wear special clean and germ-free clothing, including gowns, gloves, masks, and more. Only doctors, nurses, and the patient are allowed in the operating room. Patients undergoing surgery are usually given general anesthesia to make them sleep and feel no pain during the procedure. In some cases, local anesthesia is used to numb only the area being operated on. Medical tourism has become popular, with patients traveling to other countries for surgery when they can't get the needed treatment in their own country or find it too expensive.